Hello my people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Winner. Alright, so I have cold and kata and my voice has really gone down. But are you guys noticing something new about me? It's been a while I did a video. But are you noticing something? Like, are you observant? Okay, look at my finger. So your girl is married though. I've not been, consistent here for a while, and that's because I've been preparing for my wedding. Okay, so I didn't have an event planner. I've been the one. I am my husband's family, my family, planning this wedding. And to plan a wedding in Nigeria in this economy is not easy. Okay, it's not easy. So everyone has to cut their coats according to their clothes. So we had to do what we have to do. So I'm happily married, and I was unable to do vlogs. Like that's what is even paining me the most. I didn't have the time. I was under pressure. I was overwhelmed with a lot of things, and I couldn't even remember to bring out my phone to do any video or to video the process of everything. And guys, I'm really regretting that at this point. Well, I don't have a choice. I just have to still continue my my YouTube videos and all that. So we are still in the hotel. My husband actually went to return my wedding dress because it was rented, and today is the day we're supposed to return the dress. Today is Monday, 17th of June. So we had our wedding on 15th of June, which was last Saturday, 2 days ago. So guys, I didn't even come with my tripod stand. I'm just using my hand to make this video, so please bear with me. I don't have good lighting here, although the whole place is well lit up. There's good lighting here, but I don't have my ring light, my mic and all of that. I'm still going to show you and tell you, my experience. If you're about to get married and you don't really have millions, like 20, 30 million to do a wedding, my dear, you can still get married and have a very beautiful and successful wedding. Okay, you can still do that. So I'll be talking about all of that on my channel. Okay, it might not be today, but just make sure to you hit on that red subscribe button, turn on the bell notification, so when next I post videos, you'll be the very first person to get notified. Okay, so I'll be sharing a lot on this channel. You'll get to meet my husband. We're not from the same tribe. I'm Igbo with Yoruba, so a lot of amazing and beautiful content I'll be uploading on my page on this channel. So make sure you subscribe. Please subscribe, okay, and turn on the bell notification. I'll be teaching you a lot, my experiences planning my wedding with my husband. Where to cut costs. I'll be sharing all those details with you, alright? So besties, I attached short clips for you to see how the wedding preparation and the wedding itself went. On this very day, it was our pre-wedding photo shoot, and we wore 3 gorgeous outfits. This is just 2. I made a video wearing just 2. And as a correct Mbano Imo State girl, I had to represent. I wore the Isiago outfit, and I also represented my Yoruba people, like my husband's people. And look at the way I'm looking gorgeous. Please tell me the look you love most in the comment section. From the dress, from the jewelry, the purse, the ashoke, everything, we shopped for it ourselves, and that's one way to cut cost. Okay, and Jake Prosper Culture on Instagram sold this gorgeous outfit. Like, they are so beautiful and she's super affordable, so check her out. Okay, and on this day I went for my wedding gown fitting at Vivi Nollywood Bridals, their branch in Lagos. Look at this gorgeous dress. Now the ball is balling. Like, I was looking so good, looking so pretty, like a princess, and they are super affordable. I actually partake in their promo and I enjoyed wearing this outfit. Like, I was the center of attraction. And here was the day I went to make my lash. This is my first time making semi-permanent lash. I did the classic set for just 9,000 naira. It was so affordable and so good. Like, it didn't waste time. I just love how everything was looking. And then on the 14th of June was my nail and hair day. My cousin sister, which was my chief bridesmaid, actually linked me up to a very affordable nail technician. You don't want to know how much I did this nail. My fingernails and my toenails. Like, it was super affordable. And after doing it, a lady came around and made my hair. Like, this was the simple hair I used for my wedding, and I was looking so good, so simple and beautiful. Look at my face now. I don't even look stressed at all. And this was the wedding eve at the hotel room. I actually did this video to, you know, give it to the vendor that made this beautiful fan. Like, I wanted to give her a review so she can post it. These fans were so gorgeous for my big girls, and this is my own fan, Ololufe Kayode. Like, I really love the fans. They were so nice. And this is my wedding day. Look at me dancing. I was really so hyped on this day. Like, even my fellow choir members were giving me ginger. Can't you see the way they came dancing with me, rejoicing with me? And look at my gorgeous traditional outfit. Who they check out? This gown is giving what it is meant to give. Still made by J Prosper Culture. Please, my people, go and check that lady out. She is extremely good at what she does. Like, she is super good and super affordable. Okay, you can see how beautifully gorgeous I and my hubby were looking. Like, the outfits, everything we were wearing from head to toe. We went to the market and bought it ourselves. And I will drop the handle of the person that made this, my husband's beautiful cap. Okay, and this cake, the camera is not doing justice to it. It is so beautiful and so tasty. It's a fruit cake, and my boss, where I learned cake making, you know, years ago, made this cake. Okay,
my new bride. Yeah. And the man behind that smile.
On this night, you will not understand the kind of joy we had. Like, thank God it was all over and it was a success, honestly. So guys, I am fully dressed to go out. So we'll be going to the court soon. Meet my husband, man. Come. Come now, why are you hiding? I'm not on live, it's a video. Husband, man. Fine boy. Look at the camera here.
Yeah, I've seen
it. Alright. I must say, as person they sweat. So on this day, we're going to the court to change our court wedding date. And as we were going now, this rice, the aroma of this banging party jollof was calling us, because it has this strong party jollof flavor. I told my husband, let us buy this food. We shall bought it. I said to eat it. Look at how the color is popping. Do you know that this rice doesn't taste the same way it smells? Because the smell is giving, like, it's giving like this rice goes sweet die. But I rated it a 5/10. My husband even said it is 3/10 because it doesn't really taste good, honestly. The party jollof smell is not partying in the taste at all. So on this day, we're going to the court for registry and oath taking. Look at my sweet handsome man. And some of the things they required of us, we got them at Gender Supermarket. We got a pack of bottled water, a bottle of wine, and a carton of malt. And we had already paid 25,000 naira previously for the registration for the court wedding. Okay, so when we got to the location, we took it to the office, we signed some documents, and also did our oath taking. I was unable to video all of those things. Okay, so after this, we came back 2 days after for our court wedding. And that court wedding day, in the morning, I prepared one banging hot jollof rice. That rice was rated a 10/10. My parents, my siblings, my husband's parents, my husband, they were just hyping me. The new name my husband gave to me now is Amokwe Olowoshibi. Hey, I dey cook fire. That rice was so delicious, but I couldn't film the process. I'm so sorry about that, guys. But make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, because very soon I'll be uploading a video on how to cook that jollof rice, and you don't want to miss out. Like, you don't. It was giving more than that one I ate like days ago. Like, it was far better and sweeter than it. Okay, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Enjoy this video. So besties, we had a really nice time. We got our certificate, we are legally hitched, and then we took pictures. This is my mom and my mother-in-law, and we took pictures with my father and my father-in-law as well. My brother was also here, my youngest brother was, but he was unable to take pictures because he was the one doing videos and taking pictures of those ones. And when we shared their food, they took it home, and I got feedback that we were blown with. Then I and my husband got home and we enjoyed our meal. Like, it was too delicious, guys. So make sure you hit on this red subscribe button below, turn on the bell notification, like this video, drop a comment if you enjoyed this video, and in no time, like, I'm not promising you very soon, but like, it won't be too long, I'm going to do a video sharing my special recipe that I used in cooking this party jollof rice on my court wedding day that got everybody hooked, and they now gave me the title Amokwe Olowoshibi. See you next time, guys. Love you. Bye.